Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Breast Cancer Support and Healing series. If you have breast cancer surgery coming up, it's completely normal to feel anxious. I remember wondering, what will I look like afterwards? Will I ever feel like myself again? Am I doing everything I can to prepare? The truth is, while you can't control everything, there is so much you can do to support your body and mind before surgery. And today I'd like to share 3 simple but powerful ways to prepare. Number 1, prepare your body. Your body is about to do something incredible. It will go through surgery and then immediately begin healing. Help it as much as you can by giving it the building blocks it needs. That means eat nourishing meals rich in vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. Include enough protein to support tissue repair. Stay well hydrated. Continue gentle movement such as walking if your medical team says it's appropriate. And mainly prioritize quality sleep in the days leading up to surgery. Remember, you are not trying to do everything perfect. You are creating the best possible environment for healing. The second step is to prepare your mind. In my experience, the waiting before surgery can be harder than the surgery itself. Our minds naturally imagine the worst-case scenarios. Instead, you can try to focus on what you can control. For example, write down any questions for your surgeon or breast care nurse. Limit time spent reading frightening stories online. Practice deep breathing, meditation, and visualization. And mainly also imagine your surgery going smoothly and your body healing beautifully afterwards. Because your thoughts influence your experience. Protect your peace. Third step is to prepare your recovery. Because recovery doesn't begin after surgery. It begins before you even arrive at the hospital. Set yourself up for success. And that means prepare and freeze nourishing meals. Have comfortable clothes ready that are easy to put on after surgery. Create a cozy recovery space with pillows, water on the side, books, and your favorite films. Accept offers of help from family and friends. And most importantly, give yourself permission to rest. Healing is productive, rest is productive. You are not being lazy, you are allowing your body to recover. And that's mainly for those who really struggle to find time and allow themselves to rest. Now, surgery may change your body, but it does not change your worth. It doesn't take away your femininity. It doesn't take away your beauty. And it certainly does not define who you are. So your action for this week is to create your own surgery preparation checklist. Ask yourself, what does my body need before surgery? What will help me feel calmer? What practical things can I prepare at home? And who can I ask for support during my recovery? Small preparations today can make a big difference tomorrow. And if today's episode raised questions or you're feeling overwhelmed, I'd love to help you create your own personalized healing roadmap. That's exactly what we do together inside my online program and one-on-one coaching. So you can start the free series. You will find a link in the comments and captions. And you can also explore my online program or book your first 60 to 90 minutes coaching and healing session. You don't have to navigate this journey alone. With love and healing, Veronica.